Hey, Slim, come over here. Let me show you what my bat homie taught me. Oh, yeah. And just hang. The world look different upside down, Slim.
Dude, like what the freaking hell, man?
You gotta admit, Slim, this is pretty cool, huh?
Hell yeah, dude. This is super freaking gnarly, man.
So do you think I can become a superhero or something?
Like, what would you call yourself, dude?
Batbird. Oh, no. Hanging assassin. No, I got a better one. Spidey Bird. Yeah, Spidey Bird.
But there's one thing you're missing, man.
What?
Spiderweb, dude.
Well, I'm gonna settle for Batbird then. How that sound?
Sounds freaking radical, dude. Since you're a superhero, I bet I know your weakness, man.
What is it then?
Tickle, dude.
Stop playing.
Like superheroes don't laugh.
I didn't laugh, I kicked you.
Tickle,
You just opened up a can of pain.
Come on, man, dude.
Batbird away!